Today we're going to show you how to make red pepper soup. It is creamy, it's tasty. You will not believe how easy it is. We're including the recipe in the description below, but watch this video to see how easy it is, and make sure you subscribe.
All right, so as my husband described, we are making red pepper soup. I took about 6 red peppers about this size. I'm going to be making a soup for about 6 servings. So the first step is to slice the peppers and take all the seeds out.
So you clean it
So
completely?
you clean it, you wash it, and you take the seeds out. You can cut it into 3-4 pieces to make it easy for cleanup.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, and then you put them in the oven for roasting for about 25 minutes. And this is the texture you're looking for in the roasting process.
Okay, let's
take them out.
So a little bit burnt on the top?
A little bit burn on the top. And I also put a couple of cloves of garlic for roasting with the peppers. And I'll show you how to peel them off. Make sure taking all the peel off so we don't have. Okay.
And this is after you've been roasting for
Yes.
25 minutes.
That's right. Let them cool off. You can cover them so the skin comes off very easily.
Okay, perfect.
And here we go. So I'm going to put them in the blender along with the garlic.
Okay.
And blend them very fine. So that's very nice and smooth in here now. My oven's on a high heat. Put all the puree peppers into the pot. As you see, I have measured 2 cups of chicken broth. I will start with 1 cup and make sure I don't waste any roasted peppers. And put that in. And as you see, it's still pretty thick, so I'm going to add a little bit more chicken broth, about another half a cup. And I'm going to bring it to boil.
How thick do you want it?
This is a good thickness.
Okay.
And then we will be adding a little bit cream to it to give a nice smooth creamy taste. And now I will add 1 teaspoon of salt.
Okay.
And some black pepper. You can add paprika for taste. This is about 1/4 teaspoon. I like my soup to be a little bit spicy, so it's your choice. If you like a little bit tang to it, you can add paprika to it.
And how long do you leave it on the stove?
It has to come to the boil.
Okay.
And in the bowl, I have measured 1 cup of whipping cream, which is 33%, so it's nice and creamy. You can use coconut cream as well if you don't want the dairy cream in there, but I'm using the dairy cream.
Okay. Let's see what that looks like, the cream.
So as you see, it's 1 cup of cream.
Okay.
And soup is coming to boil, so I'm going to start the cream slowly. I don't want to put the whole thing in because it might just be too much.
All right.
As you see, the soup is coming to boil. We'll stir it for a few more seconds and then soup is ready. Peppers were already roasted, so they are already pre-cooked.
Oh, that was easy.
Yeah.
Ready to
And
go?
we'll just cook it for a few more seconds. Once your soup is ready, and we are ready to serve you on the table.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so I am going to garnish the soup. We're going to serve it with a piece of bread. Here I have a yogurt which I made it nice and smooth, so it's not lumpy. And we'll do a little bit of a decoration with it.
Oh, a little artsy fartsy.
Yeah.
Very good. Well, that looks nice. Oh, that's beautiful.
Okay. And a couple of
A little bit of green. That's good. Yeah.
and then just a little bit of paprika to give it a nice color. And we're ready to taste it.
Oh, fantastic. That looks so beautiful. It's work of art. Now let's give it a taste test. Oh, this is so good. So good and so easy to make. I hope you make it and enjoy. Thank you.